is going on, my dudes? Midnight Sun 518 here, and we have another video for you. Nothing crazy. More LED installs. Sorry, I'm moving my little light here. Whoa. It's my camping light. So, I also don't have my little, like, camera stand. So I'm just kind of using my hands for now. So, I'm here to show you the install on some reverse lights. I don't know why I opened my back door just yet, because I need to show you what the lights look like before the new ones, so we can do a before and after. So, give me a second. Awesome. Wow. So there's the before. And I'll show you the after here in a second, but first we gotta get the new bulbs in. So, I went on Amazon and I found a really cheap bulb. I don't remember exactly how much it costs, but it looks good. I think it was about 20 bucks. And there you have it. Allegedly, it is the LED like capable version of a 7449 or 7440 bulb, which is what the current one that's in there is. But what I like about this one is it has a little LED at the end, so it has, I guess, a little bit more of a full coverage type of thing. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and pop out the old bulbs, and then we'll put these ones in and see how much brighter they are. So, popping out the old bulb, not super difficult if you have the right tools, which somehow at the moment I don't. You're gonna get a little flathead screwdriver in, or your fingernails if you have some, and you're gonna pull on that side. On this like outer edge here, you'll see a little bit of an indentation that you can kind of peel up at. You'll do that on both sides. And then this right here is gonna be your reverse bulb. Don't worry about this wiring. I've got some extra stuff going on in here. But turn it to the left or counterclockwise and undo it just like that. That's how you pull the bulb out. We'll go ahead and disconnect it from there. And then we will pop in our new bulb, just like that, I think. If you have to, you can indeed pull the bulb out just by pushing on a little clip. Right in here, one of these edges, it's the far side that's facing away from you. But you can undo it to be able to adjust the bulb, take it out. Anyways, if you did that, or if you didn't, pop that back in. Go ahead and slide the bulb in to its position right there and turn clockwise until it locks into place. And there you have it. So as you can see, they are most certainly brighter. Obviously it's not a very long video. It's super easy to swap out bulbs in a car, and I've done it a lot on my channel. But I just thought I'd show you kind of the difference between an LED and a halogen when it comes to the reverse light. So I did this because I'm installing currently a backup camera, and I'm hoping that it will help with being able to view, sorry, my cat's jumping everywhere, help with being able to view what's going on behind me while I'm backing up and the camera's on. So if you guys haven't seen that video, it'll be coming out, or is already out, or whatever. Maybe there's a link, I don't know. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please throw them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. These bulbs will be linked down and below. They are just some random Amazon bulb that I bought. Nothing crazy, but I hope you guys have enjoyed. See you next time. Midnight Sun out.